Hey guys, I will. Sorry, looks like I'm crying, but no, I just have really bad allergies right now. If it looks like my eyes are red because I am, it looks like I'm crying. This eye is swollen because I was just rubbing it. I know it's bad to do, but I have allergies and I can't breathe through my nose. I hate this time of year, so um, I'll just apologize right now. Okay, so first quiz of Unit 1, 5.1. This is the west end of Asia. Um, Basically, I'm going to show you a map of Europe, and hopefully it will. Okay, so here is Europe. This is technically called, Europe. We've got, if you notice, Russia is right here. Russia goes way over here into the northern part of Asia. Uh, this part of Russia is, most people consider it part of Europe because their lifestyle and their way of life and their businesses are a lot like these European countries, and they're not really so much like the rest of the Asian countries. So we're going to be talking about this area, this area. So this is where we're at right now. Um, so Also, Turkey is also technically considered part of Europe, even though you'll probably find it on Asian maps as well. Um, but it's technically considered a European country. Okay. Okay, so a couple places that it mentions in your quiz. The Arabian Peninsula is this right here, where you have Saudi Arabia, Syria, Iraq, Iran right here. So that's right here. And it's also considered the Middle East area is right here too. Okay, and the Anatolian Peninsula is this right here, basically where Turkey is. Okay, right here. Um, those are just on your quiz, possibly. I'm going to show you guys a video that is on Apex. I want you guys to be able to see if you don't see it. So I'm going to show this to you.
The very large landmass that dominates the Eastern Hemisphere is called Eurasia. Europe and Southwest Asia are located east of the Atlantic Ocean on the northern and western parts of Eurasia. Russia is the largest country in Europe, followed by the Ukraine and France. The most densely populated country is the small island nation of Malta. The most densely populated areas in Europe and Southwest Asia are near the coast. Both regions border the Mediterranean Sea, and because of this, the culture there is highly diverse. The largest country in Southwest Asia is Kazakhstan. The area around the Persian Gulf contains a large portion of the world's oil and plays a major role in the world economy.
That's the Middle East.
Europe and Southwest Asia cover a lot of territory from north to south, making this a region of very diverse climates. Climates range from the hot Arabian Desert to the Spanish Mediterranean to the Russian subarctic.
You don't think people are going to get mad?
Okay. All right, so this has some good things in it, especially when it showed you the Mediterranean Sea, which was, I'll go back to this map here. Mediterranean Sea is this sea right here underneath Spain, France, Italy, right here. This is where there is so much trading going on, and because, the video said, it's most diverse there because there's so many people there from different areas, and it's very condensed because there's so many people that come there. One thing that is good to know that the Silk Road, which is basically a network of trading routes that people used to walk on when they were trading across Asia and into Europe. It was super important because it helped the countries kind of just connect to each other, and it connected this peninsula right here and the Saudi Arabian Peninsula, Middle East, basically. is super important because it is where the Silk Roads basically pass through. All of them pass through there. It connects Europe and Asia. It connects Europe and Asia to Africa. So it's just super important, that area. So these countries are these areas. They need to be interconnected, and they are interconnected because they depend on each other. Different countries make different things, and they trade with each other, so they don't have to make everything. They can specialize in specific things. Um, in the Mediterranean area here, like the fish and the seafood and the trade and travel and architecture, they're all pretty much similar. And that's because they consider this area to be kind of like a melting pot where all these different cultures and ideas are melting together and uh, they become one basically. So it's kind of like so melting pot area. But that area does differ in language and religion and history because, of course, different countries, different rulers, different paths. Um, so that's basically it for 5.1. I know it's really short, but it's basically like an introductory quiz anyway. So that's it.